Hello everyone, welcome to Reactify Labs. Today we will discuss the problem 2sum. So this problem is one of the easiest problems on Leetcode, and at the same time it is one of the most widely asked questions on Leetcode. So a lot of companies have asked this question even though this is very easy. So let's see what the problem statement says. The problem statement says that you are given an array of integers, okay, and along with that you are given a target. So you have to find two indices, okay? You have to return the indices of two numbers. You have to return the indices of two numbers such that adding these two numbers make up this target. Adding these two numbers make up this target, okay? So for example, in this case, if you see, the target is 9. So here the two numbers which make 9 is 2 and 7. So index of 2 is 0, index of 7 is 1. So the output and the answer is 0, 1. Here the target is 6. So the two numbers which form 6 is 2 and 4. Index of 2 is 1 and index of 4 is 2. Okay. Similarly, here the target is 6. There are only two numbers 3 and 3 and they form 6. So answer is 0, 1. Okay. Because we have to return the index. Right. There is something given like there will always be one answer. Okay. So it's not that there will be zero answer, like it's not possible to have no answer at all. It's not possible to have more than one answer also. Okay. There will always be only one answer. It's given in the question. Okay. So it's written explicitly in the constraints also that only one valid answer exists. And the constraints are also given like the nums I, these numbers which are present in this nums I, this will be in the range of minus 10 to the power 9 to 10 to the power 9. Okay. And this target is also minus 10 to the power 9 to 10 to the power 9. Okay. Great. And the array size is going to be 2 into 10 to the power 4. Okay. So this is what our constraints are. So how we are going to solve this question? So basically what we are trying to do is we are trying to find that for any number, for example, in this case, if you see the any number would be, let's say 2, for 2, is there any number which we can add to this 2 so that it can form 9? Okay. So if we keep on searching, we'll see that, okay, there is a number 7, which when added to 2 will make up 9. Okay. Similarly, now in 6, if we see 3, is there anything which we can add to 3 which will make it 6, right? Also, we cannot repeat a number. This 3 cannot be repeated if it's not more than once. For example, here 3 is twice, so that's why we could add 3, 3. But since 3 is once here, we cannot add 3 again. Okay, so for 3, is there any matching number which can make it 6? No. For 2, is there any matching number which can make it 6? Yes. The 4 is there. So 2, 4 will make up 6. So the answer is 1, 2. Okay. So basically what we are trying to do is for any number x, we are trying to find its complement y such that x plus y form of the target. So this is what we have to do. Find the complement of a number. And what is the best data structure to find such kind of things in the most optimal way? These are maps. But what kind of maps? Hash maps? Yes. In C++, there are two kinds of maps. One is map and one is unordered map. Okay. The equivalent of this in Java is tree map and hash map. So for tree map, if we have to find something, and also in map, if we have to find something, let's say we have to find map of 2, if it is present or not, this takes log n time because it uses binary search. But unordered map or the hash map, it uses hashing. So it takes order of 1. So that's why we are going to use unordered map here. Okay. So we will use unordered map and it will be like this. So let's say we have a map called M. Okay. Our map's name is M. Now what we will do is we will iterate over this nums array. Okay. Let's take this example 2, 7, 11, 15. We will iterate over this array. Okay. So first our I is here. Okay. So when our I is here, what we will do is we will see for 2 what we have to find. For 2 we have to find its complement, means for 2 we have to find if 7 exists in the map. If 7 exists in map. Okay. But since it's the beginning, like initially our map is empty, right? So 7 does not exist in the map right now. So we will just move forward. Okay. So now we will move forward. Now But yes, before that, when we are checking, like, okay, 2 is not, like, for 2, okay, let's do it like this. The target is also 9. So we will do 9 minus 2, which is 7. Is 7 in map? We will check. Is 7 in map? But no, we got the answer no. Then we will just move forward. Before that, what we will do is, in the map, this is the map M. In this, we will add 2. So 2 is added now. Okay. Now this moves forward. The pointer will move forward. Here we got 7. For 7, now what we will do? We will try to find 9 minus 7, which is 2. Now we will check. Is 2 in map? Here is our map. We can see, yes, 2 is there. So since 2 is there in the map, what we will do is, we will have a result in which we will put both this 7 as well as 9 minus 7, which is 2. So both 2 and 7 are now in the result, and result will be returned. Okay. Let's take another example. Let's take an example of this 2, 3, 4, 3 to 4. So now our map M is empty. Okay. We got 3. Target is 6. So in the map, we will check if 6 minus 3 equal to 3 exists. We will check 3 in map. We get no, the 3 is not in map. Why? Because we have not added 3 yet to the map, right? So 3 is not in the map. Then we will move forward. Okay. It's like 3, 2, 4. Currently the pointer is here. We will move forward. The pointer will move forward. But before that, 3 is added to the map. Now we are checking 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Is this in map? Is 4 in map? No, still no, right? So 3 will be added to this map. 2 will be added to this map, and the pointer will move forward again. For 6 minus 4, now it's 2, right? So now we will check. Is 2 in map? As we can see, yes, 2 is present in map. So it's a yes. So if 2 is present in map, so our result array or the answer array will contain 2, 4. So this will be our answer. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. First, we will take the number, or basically it's like iterate over array. Okay, one by one. Check if, like, iterate over array, we get number, let's say x. Check if n minus x in map. Okay. If yes, add to result and return, right? If no, add in map and move forward. Okay. This is what we have to do. So by the time all the traversal ends, we will have an answer, because it's the constraint given in the answer that only one valid answer exists. Means there will be one valid answer. So this is what we have to do. If I have to say again, it is like this: 2, 7, 11, 15. First we will check this 2. Yes, we got 2, but we don't check 2 in the map. We will check if 9 minus 2 exists in the map. If 9 minus 2 exists, then yes, that's fine. But since it's the first element, our map is empty, it does not exist. We will move forward. We'll go to 7. And by that time we move to 7, 2 was already in the map. So we'll check if 9 minus 7 exists in the map. 9 minus 7 exists? Yes, 2 already exists in the map. So 2 and 7 is the answer. So that's what we do basically. For every number, we check if its complement exists or not. If its complement exists, then we have our answer. If it does not exist, we will keep searching for the answer. Okay. I hope this clears the solution of 2-sum. This gives you a good understanding of how to do this 2-sum problem and how to think to solve this problem. I will put the solution in the description of this video. But I suggest please try to solve it on your own first. Then if you cannot solve it, then watch this video. Like after watching this video, after understanding, try to solve this. And if you still cannot, then watch the solution. Okay. Or look at the solution that's pasted in the description of this video. So yeah. So the key component here was unordered map. Unordered map. For Java people, it's hash map. Okay. So unordered map in C++ and hash map in Java, they both do the same thing. They make the access quick by hashing the key and not using binary search. So yeah, That's all there was in this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.